Now, can you please recite the verse?
ولا تقف ما ليس لك به علم إن السمع والبشر والفؤاد كل أولئك كان عنه مسؤولا.
Now, the word Udu'uhum, in which surah comes we can find this word? Udu'uhum. Surah Al-Ahzab. Now, which page?
The first page.
The first page. Now, how many pages are there in this surah?
There are 10 pages in this.
10 pages. What's the first page?
يا أيها النبي اتق الله.
Second page.
وإذ أخذنا.
What's the last page? Last page.
يسألك الناس.
Yes, look at that. What's the last verse in this page? The last verse of the page.
ليعذب الله المنافقين.
Now, please, can you recite the verse that this will come?
ادعوهم لآبائهم هو أقسط عند الله.
Now, question number 3. The word وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ. Where can we find this word? وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ. في أي surah? From which surah? Surah Al-Rum. How many verses are there in this surah?
60.
Now?
60.
60? Sure?
Yes.
Sure? What's the last verse of the surah?
فاصبر إن وعد الله حق.
How many pages are there in this surah?
6.5.
Can you please mention them?
ألف لام ميم.
Now?
وعد الله.
Now?
وأما الذين كفروا.
Now?
ومن آياته أن تقوم السماء.
Now?
وإذا مس الناس.
Now? Now?
ولئن أرسلنا.
Now, ممتاز. Now, سؤال الرابع. Now, السؤال الرابع. The word لقمان is in which surah?